Alright, so today we're going to be doing a bike check. Let's see. First off, we got some S&M Perfect 10s chrome. We got some Animal grips, black. Next we got an Eastern stem. I got to upgrade. I just got my check, so I'm going to go down to the store and buy a new stem. Got it on some Fit Forks. Stock. Yeah, I know it sucks, but it's whatever. I got a Vandero 2 hub laced to a Odyssey quadrant rim. There you go. I got Fly tan wall tires. Let's see. I got an S&M frame. Not really familiar with the brand. I got it from a friend, so yeah. Moving over to the seat, I got a Animal seat. Got it with an Animal seat post, red. I got red Odyssey pedals. You can see the Odyssey. Had them for a while now, but they work pretty good. Moving over to the sprocket, got an MDS Odyssey sprocket. Pretty good. It's been lasting me about like almost a year now, so you guys got to get it. I got some Profile cranks. They're really good, dude. You guys got to get them. You can put the sprocket on the left side, the right side. I got a KMC chain. Came out I think a year ago. It's been lasting me almost about a year. It's so heavy duty. It's also a half link. Some people say that half links suck, but fuck them. Half links are the shit, especially that one. Look at that, it's so beautiful. Moving over to the back, I got a Primo left-hand drive hub laced to a, where is it? Demolition rim. There it is. And then I got the Fly tire tan wall on the back too. Alright guys, give me some likes, comments, whatever the fuck you want. Hope you liked my video. My bike check.